Unarchiving a story on Instagram is a simple process whether you are using an iPhone or Android. So, the process is similar whether you are using any device. So, let's get started. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Also know that your Instagram stories are archived automatically after 24 hours. So, in order to access them later, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Once in your profile page, tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner of your screen. Now, once you tap on the 3 dashboard, tap on the archive. Inside archive, you will get to see all your archived storage. Now tap on the story you want to unarchive. There you can see the share icon available in the story. After you tap on the share icon, you can easily unarchive it by posting it on your story again. Now simply tap on your story and post it again. And if you don't want this, then you can simply tap on the highlights option available there and share this story to your highlights. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.